Hey, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for supporting my videos. Today I got a very interesting marketplace bot, and this bot is being created with the help of the AI. And this is a web page which I created with a couple of prompts. And what you're going to look from this particular application, it's going to give you a market research and summarization of the markets with AI powered news analysis, and it's going to understand the trend predictions in the stock market and started delivering that into your Telegram channel or in gonna be in a WhatsApp. So it has a key features which is more into the traders or investors. So it has an app scheduler. So if you wanted to be schedule or deliver your news to your Telegram bot, it's you can schedule on a specific time. For in India, if I wanted to do a trading, so I should get my trading news before market gets started. That somewhere else like 9 o'clock. I might get intermediate news as well within the market, and it should gives me the a power news analysis, daily market summarization, and global economy and trend detections and customer alerts. So this app, which I'm gonna show you, it's gonna couple of prompts you need to build it, and this is gonna be your first part, and how I'm gonna testing this app, and I'm gonna show you how can you build the similar app in my upcoming videos. So let's get started. So all you need to do is like it's gonna gives you the moment you click, it's gonna gives you a dashboard. You can test your Telegram. So the test message has been sent. If I come to my Telegram website, so it comes to the text message of stating that it's deliver that. So let's see a reflection. So let's generate my insights. So have write that habitual and market snippet. It's gonna be both combination of that. Let's see how it's gonna generate those insights. So it's generated insights. So for my habitual one and market analysis. So it's understand the market down on and inflation, the aisle is gonna be, and the kind of like images which is being generated to that the ones. And if I wanted to send this into my Telegram channel straight away, that reflections has been sent. So if it comes to my Telegram channel, I can see the entire message that pops up here. So it's very simple. So you can start and building your own bot engine, and it's gonna gives you the heads up to you. It's fairly simple one, and I'm gonna show you in my upcoming videos how I build this app and how you're gonna send this to your Telegram channel. And stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.